Conditioning your hair, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common but essential topic in English, conditioning hair. If you've ever been puzzled about what this means or how it's done, you're in the right place. We'll break down everything you need to know about hair conditioning, why it's important, and how to do it effectively. What does conditioning hair mean? At its core, conditioning hair involves using a special product, called a conditioner, after shampooing your hair. This product is designed to improve the texture and appearance of your hair by adding moisture, reducing frizz, and making it easier to manage. Conditioning isn't just an extra step in your hair care routine. It's crucial for maintaining healthy hair. Conditioners restore moisture lost during shampooing, protect hair from environmental damage, and make hair smoother and less prone to tangling and breakage. There are several types of conditioners. Rinse-out conditioners, applied after shampooing and rinsed out after a few minutes. Leave-in conditioners, applied to damp hair and not rinsed out, great for ongoing moisture. Deep conditioners, used less frequently. These are left on the hair for longer to deeply nourish the strands. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. After shampooing, rinse your hair thoroughly. 2. Apply conditioner, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. 3. Avoid the scalp to prevent greasiness. 4. Leave the conditioner in for a few minutes. Check the product's instructions for exact timing. 5. Rinse thoroughly with cool or lukewarm water. Choose the right conditioner for your hair type, e.g., volumizing for fine hair, moisturizing for dry hair. Don't over-condition, it can weigh down your hair. Use a wide-toothed comb to distribute the conditioner evenly and detangle your hair gently. That's all on conditioning your hair. Remember, this simple step can make a significant difference in the health and appearance of your hair. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your hair care journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Stay healthy and keep shining.